Hello guys! Kumusta kayong lahat? Paano nga ba lutuin ang mukhang napakasarap na putaheng ito? Pues panoorin ang buong video hanggang sa dulo para malaman mo. First guys, i-pre-fry natin yung marinated na chicken. By the way, bali minarinate ko lang yung manok sa konting turmeric powder, coriander powder, curry powder, salt, and black pepper powder. So pag nag-change na yung kulay ng manok guys, ganyan yung consistency na hinahanap natin sa manok. Tanggalin na natin sila sa kaldero. After that, sa same pot, ilagay natin yung mustard seeds at chopped fine onions. Kailangan guys, fine yung pagka-chop ng onion para mas masarap siya. Then, lagay natin yung fresh curry leaves. Habang pinapa-brown natin yung onion, nag-blend na tayo ng tomato. And always remember guys, laging lagyan ng asin yung onion. After that, maglagay tayo ng ginger garlic paste at haluin lang hanggang 1 minute. Then idagdag na natin yung pre-fry na chicken. After that guys, ilagay natin yung chopped fresh coriander. Ito yung nagpapadagdag ng lasa at idagdag na natin ang blended na tomato. Lutuin lang natin ng mga 3 to 5 minutes or hanggang sa maluto yung kamatis. Then after that, dagdagan natin ng tomato paste. So cook it for another 1 minute at lagay na natin yung carrots chunk. And then after that, lagay tayo ng hot water. Kailangan hot water yung ilagay guys para hindi siya magbago yung temperature at hindi mag-flat yung lasa no niluluto natin. Let's simmer this for 10 minutes or hanggang lumambot yung carrots. Then while palambot sa carrots, nagprito na tayo ng cauliflower at talong. Taluna with vegetable pala to guys. Taluna chicken with vegetables. After that, nilagay na natin yung potato chunks at lutuin lang hanggang sa malambot na yung carrots and potato. Then after, pag naluto na yung carrots and potato, season natin with salt and black pepper. Then idagdag yung pineritong cauliflower at talong. Huwag na silang ihalo guys kasi para hindi madurog yung talong. So that's it guys. Hope you enjoy watching the video and don't forget to add chili. Pag gusto nyo naman ng spicy guys, pwede nyo add ng chopped chilies. So dinagdagan ko na rin ng fresh coriander para mabango siya. That's all, and hope you enjoy watching this video. Shout out pala sa mga bago nating followers and friends. Thank you for watching our videos always. Don't forget to react, comment, and share. Hope you have a wonderful day ahead. God bless you everyone, and maasalama.